how to generate a logo using AI on Picsart. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can generate a logo using AI on Picsart. Firstly, open your web browser and at the search bar type picsart.com. Make sure you are logged into it. Scroll down and under time saving shortcuts here click on that little arrow to find more designs. There you will see design logo option. Click on it and you will reach to this page. At the left sidebar you will see a search bar. Here type your brand name and then below choose a color for your brand name. Below that select the type of the business your brand is in. Then click on generate and wait for a moment for AI to generate logo options. If you find a logo you like, double click on it to add to your canvas. If you are not satisfied yet, click on that show more results below and wait for AI to generate more results. Once you find the logo, click on it and you can further customize your logo as per your preferences. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.